Students, now today we are going to start our new chapter, which is a tragic story. It is a poetry, okay? Don't you think that common sense sometimes is the rarest of the gifts? Yes, we all know that common sense is a sense which is not common to all. Here in this story, it is in this poem, it is very humorous poem about a wise man who wants to do it the impossible and fails miserably, okay? Now there lived a sage in the days of yore. You know, sage, a very wise person. A very long ago he lived there. Okay, and he is a handsome. He has a handsome pigtail wore. He has a pigtail. What is the meaning of pigtail? It is a plait. The hair is tied together into bunch and twisted into a plait, and he wore it at the back of his head, but wondered much and sorrowed more because it hung behind him. Why he wondered much, and why is having the sorrow of being that pigtail? Because it hung behind him. He mused upon. Why he mused upon means he carefully thought about this curious case, and a strange and unusual case. He swore he would change the pigtail's place. He wants to change that pigtail's place. He don't want to hang behind him, okay, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. He does not want that pigtail to be hanging behind him. He wants to hang at his face. Says he, the mystery I have found, I'll turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. He turned himself round, and still the pigtail was turned behind him. Then round and round, and out and in. All day the puzzled sage did spin. All day he used to spin so that the pigtail will come forward into his face, and all the time the pigtail was hung behind him. In vain, it mattered not a pin. The pigtail hung behind him, and right and left and round about and up and down and in and out. He take as much effort as he can. He turned himself round and round, spin himself, but the pigtail hung behind him only. He turned, but still the pigtail stout. It was very stubborn. It was stout there only, okay, hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, he never used to weaken his efforts, okay, he never used to lose his he was never effortless. He was not being effortless. He never weakens his thought. He used to make effort to make that pigtail behind him, but it doesn't come in front of his face, okay. It was hung behind him only. And though he twist and twirl and tack, okay, at last, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him only. So it doesn't change his position. He take lots of effort to do this. So that's what about the poetry is all about. Okay. Now the author of this poetry is Adalbert von Chamisso. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Student.